Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey to explore a concept that surpasses the physicality of money. Yes, we're delving into the realm of the spiritual energy of money and how it influences every aspect of our lives. Money goes beyond its tangible form, it holds within it the power to create change, shape destinies, and uplift communities. So, join me as we dive deep into the spiritual meaning of money and uncover its transformative potential. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In our society, money is often seen as a means to achieve personal desires and fulfill our material needs. However, when we shift our perspective and recognize money as a spiritual energy, we realize its profound impact on personal and collective growth. It becomes a powerful tool that can be harnessed to create positive change, influence lives, and improve communities. By channeling money towards positive endeavors, we have the opportunity to leave a lasting impact on the world. From a spiritual standpoint, money can be perceived as an energy exchange. It symbolizes the flow of resources and the interconnectedness of individuals and communities. Money itself is neutral, it is neither inherently good nor evil. Instead, it takes on the qualities and intentions that we assign to it. The way we earn, spend, save, and share money reflects our values, beliefs, and consciousness. Understanding this concept allows us to cultivate a conscious and mindful relationship with money. Developing a conscious and mindful relationship with money involves a deep examination of our beliefs, fears, and attachments related to finances. It requires aligning our financial choices with our spiritual values. By doing so, we embark on a journey of personal growth and transformation. Cultivating an attitude of abundance and generosity allows us to tap into the true potential of money as a spiritual energy. As the saying goes, as God gives, you must give. By using money to support our higher purpose or social causes, we can make a positive impact in the world. One of the most profound ways to experience money as spiritual energy is through the act of giving or donating. When we consciously and willingly give a portion of our financial resources to support a greater purpose or help those in need, we infuse our money with spiritual energy. This act of selfless giving taps into the energy of generosity and compassion, benefiting not only the recipients but also enhancing our own spiritual well-being. It expands our consciousness, fosters a sense of interconnectedness with others, and deepens our understanding of abundance. Viewing money as spiritual energy brings us face to face with the universal law of giving and receiving. This law operates on the principle of reciprocity. When we give freely and selflessly, we create a positive energy that eventually finds its way back to us. Regardless of our current financial situation, we can contribute to the well-being of others through acts of kindness, support, and compassion. By doing so, we open the door for the blessings of the universe to flow back into our lives. It's crucial to understand that true wealth extends far beyond mere financial gain. True wealth encompasses the richness of the heart and the spirit. To thrive and maintain spiritual abundance, we must embrace a mindset of giving and generosity. By sharing our blessings and supporting others with love and compassion, we not only uplift ourselves but also contribute to the greater good of humanity. The spiritual energy of money continues to flow and enrich our lives when we align our actions with our spiritual values. Each of us holds unique beliefs and attitudes towards money. However, regardless of our current beliefs, there are always opportunities to improve our financial situation. Embracing the idea that there is a way for us to make more money opens us up to possibilities and encourages proactive steps towards financial growth. Increasing financial success goes beyond material gain, it involves cultivating a mindset of abundance, developing financial literacy, taking strategic actions, and being open to opportunities. Gratitude is a powerful practice that aligns us with the spiritual energy of money. When we cultivate gratitude for the money and abundance we already have, we open ourselves up to receiving even more. Gratitude shifts our focus from scarcity to abundance, allowing us to attract and manifest greater financial blessings. By acknowledging and appreciating the money we have, we invite more positive energy into our lives. Many of us carry limiting beliefs and a scarcity mindset when it comes to money. These beliefs often stem from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or negative experiences with finances. It's essential to identify and challenge these beliefs, replacing them with empowering thoughts and beliefs that support our financial well-being. By shifting our mindset to one of abundance and possibility, we can overcome limitations and attract greater financial abundance into our lives. Discovering our life's purpose and aligning it with our financial goals is key to experiencing money as a spiritual energy. When we connect our work or business to a higher purpose, money becomes a means to support that purpose and make a positive impact in the world. By aligning our financial pursuits with our spiritual values and passions, we create a harmonious integration of money and spirituality, leading to greater fulfillment and abundance. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in our ability to manage and grow our money. When we develop an understanding of financial concepts, such as budgeting, investing, and saving, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and take control of our financial destiny. By educating ourselves about money, we dissolve the fear and uncertainty often associated with it, allowing us to embrace money as a tool for personal and spiritual growth. Cultivating a mindset of abundance and generosity is a continuous practice. It involves consistently choosing thoughts, beliefs, and actions that align with abundance rather than scarcity. By focusing on what we have and sharing our blessings with others, we create a positive energetic flow that attracts more abundance into our lives. Embracing generosity not only benefits others but also amplifies our own sense of fulfillment and spiritual well-being. The spiritual energy of money has a ripple effect that extends far beyond our individual lives. When we consciously direct our financial resources towards causes and initiatives that resonate with our spiritual values, we contribute to the greater good of society. Our acts of giving and generosity create a ripple effect, inspiring others to do the same and amplifying the positive impact we make. Together, we can co-create a world where money is used as a force for positive change and spiritual growth. Our society, it's easy to become attached to material possessions and equate them with our self-worth. However, when we view money as a spiritual energy, we recognize that true wealth goes beyond material accumulation. It encompasses the richness of the heart and the spirit. By detaching ourselves from the need for excessive material possessions, we free ourselves from the burden of constantly striving for more. We can redirect our focus towards cultivating meaningful experiences, nurturing relationships, and pursuing spiritual growth. Conscious spending and saving are essential aspects of our relationship with money as a spiritual energy. It involves aligning our financial choices with our values and priorities. By mindfully considering the impact of our purchases, we can ensure that our money is directed towards things that truly align with our authentic selves. Additionally, conscious saving allows us to create a sense of financial security and cultivate a mindset of abundance, knowing that we have resources available to support our goals and aspirations. As we conclude this exploration of the spiritual energy of money, remember that your relationship with money is an ever-evolving journey. Embrace the lessons, challenges, and opportunities that money brings forth. By viewing money as a spiritual energy, you open yourself up to its transformative potential. May you continue to cultivate a conscious and mindful relationship with money, align your financial choices with your spiritual values, and create a life of abundance, purpose, and joy. You must watch our latest video on the topic 7 JAW dropping reasons why going solo is essential for your spiritual awakening. In this captivating video, we delve into the crucial aspect of solitude during your spiritual awakening and why being alone is essential for your spiritual journey. The link is on the top right corner of the video. Thank you for joining me on this profound exploration. I hope these additional insights have provided you with even more guidance on your path of integrating money and spirituality. If you've learned something or have thoughts to share, please leave your comments below. May you continue to embrace the spiritual energy of money and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Wishing you abundant blessings on your journey. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Stay connected, stay inspired, and embrace the power of the spiritual energy of money in your life. Until we meet again on this journey of growth and transformation.